Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of August. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonant with you and maybe not resonant with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guideline, and if it not resonate with you, you can skip that or you can simply enjoy these readings. Okay, let's see. Let's start. What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? And we are having here Two of Cups, Chariot, Seven of Wands, and Three of Wands. What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Ten of Cups, Reverse, Five of Swords, Two of Wands, and the World. What are the mutual energies, Virgo? Page of Wands and Three of Cups. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Three of Cups, Two of Cups, Ten of Cups. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Two of Wands, Three of Wands, Seven of Wands, Page of Wands. Cancer with this Chariot. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords. Virgo, your person want to reunite with you. They feel this love connection with you. They want this soulmate connection. They think you are their, the connection, the one. They want to reunite with you, but you are pushing this person away. They can feel that you are standing up for yourself and you are pushing this person away. You are fighting against this person. Practically you are pushing this person away, and this person want to confront you. They want to, really want to get you. They are moving forward towards you, and they want to see you. They want to travel towards you, and they, you know make a lot of plans with you. They were, a lot of, future planning with you. They just want to be with you. They just, want to see your face. A lot of expectations, a lot of layers in this person. They plan a lot of, they make a lot of plans with you in their mind. They are planning their future, maybe a long distance relationship, maybe, but they just, want to see you. They want to get you. They are chasing you. They just want to move forward you. They want to, want to talk to you face to face. They want to confront you. And the reason why you are pushing me away, what's the reason? Why you are just, like that? Why you have to fight against me? This person want to, I plan my whole life with you. I, plan my future with you, and why you are just pushing me away? This person want to chase you. This person want to confront you. They want to ask you eye to eye, face to face conversation. They want that with you. And you are, because this person feels some kind of bond and connection, the one. No matter how much we are different from each other, but love is there. Love can connect, they're having a faith in this connection. And this person is just want to reunite with you. They want to see your face. They just want to get you. They want to confront you. They want to talk to you face to face, eye to eye. And you push this person away, and they want to know the reason. And the reason is you think this person is not worthy of your love. This is Ten of Cups reverse. So it's a really sudden card for me as well, the reversed one. Delay, disputes, disagreements between you two, disharmony. There's nothing left. You think like that this person is not worthy of your love. That you feel towards you, and that's the reason you are, planning something else. You analyzing frictions there. You can feel, Virgo, some kind of frictions and flings with this person. You just know it's a really restless card for you. You're deciding about something. You're planning and making plans about your life, and you think this person is not worthy of your love, and that's the reason of the conflict and fight between you two. There is disputes, conversations that converted into disagreement, and into disputes and disagreements. And when you, yell at each other and not, trying to defeat each other, trying to, they proving their point, you proving your point. They want to, prove you wrong, and you want to prove this person wrong. So there is a conflict, disputes between you two, and it's ending. A cycle is complete between you two. Something ended. Something is when it need to be end in an ending point. So it's the right time to end this connection. Maybe another cycle start, but right now it's completed. Whatever you got, you decide something. A round is complete between you. One thing you decide, this person is not worthy of your love, and this is disharmony between us, and there is nothing a soulmate connection between us. We are not the one. This is your the point of view, and this person is totally not agree with you, and that's disagreement converted into long terms disputes and fights. So, and this person is still got some passion for you. They got a huge, they don't know how to handle this passion. They're still into you, they love you, they are just into you, they want to get you, they want to get you back. But you are investing your more time in your friends and with your family. You are just not really, really don't want to deal with this person right now, and you are just maybe third party there, but this person is into you. Let's see what else we have for you, Virgo. What else? What else we have for you with this? Five of Cups, Ace of Wands. What are the mutual energies? Wow. Go with this Devil. Mutual energy with this Devil. Wow. With this Ace of Wands, a new passion bubble switched on inside this person. This person feel this passion towards you, this desire towards you. You are just like as I told you, they're still into you, really love you. They can't control their passion, they can't control themselves in front of you. You are regretting over past, and you are regretting over the moment why you let this person in your life, how and why you do that. And you are just like a lot of grieving, you lost something, a lot of what I'm talking about, what you actually lost, Virgo. You know that what you lost. You lost something. And now we're grieving and talking about the previous events with your, maybe with anyone, maybe your close one, maybe with your family, maybe with your friends. And you're talking about this, past events, and it's making you more sad. And this person is totally obsessed over you, and they are just a lot of energies. They feel a pull towards you. More you push them away, more this person feel a pull towards you. More you try to get rid of this person, you want to get rid of this person. If we talk about this Devil from your side, you want to get rid of this cage, this chain, you want to break this. But this person is getting obsessed, and they want to cage you, they want to bound you with this chain with you. So this is a pull push situation. More you push this person away, more this person feel pulled towards you. Let's see what else we have for you for future, the recent future, for more energies from future. And we are having here Seven of Wands, Temperance, and Eight of Swords. Again, Seven of Wands, it means you are so gonna push this person away. You are standing up for yourself. You are listening to other things. You are not listening to this person. Even this person want to chase you. This person want to talk to you. They want to face you, but you are pushing this person away. You are just like, no, you're just totally against this person. And with this Temperance card, you finding some kind of balance in your life. You want balance. You want to take care of your every area of your life, yourself, your other area of your life. You want balance in your life. This is advice for you as well. Find balance. Find the your health. Take care of your health. Stop taking extra medicines that you don't require or don't need. Don't use it. Just take care of yourself. And with this Eight of Sword, overthinking, you are thinking on a specific point over and over again, and it's you are stuck in a loop. You feel pressurized right now. A lot of pressure, a lot of thinking, overload of thoughts in your head, and they are just making you stuck, and delay, some kind of delay. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. I am the angel of peace. I bring you new tranquility and a smoother road ahead. You need peace in your life. As I told you, temperance as advice, just take care of your health. Peace of mind you require right now. You need peace. There is a peace for you, hopefully. Let's see what advice messages. Let her, let him go. Give yourself space. Forget it. Share your feelings with your friends. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is this person want to reunite with you, but you push them away. They want to get you, they want to see you, they want to face you, they want to confront you. You think this person is not worthy of your love. Disharmony, disputes, and disagreement between you two, and this is a big fight and conflict. You are planning about your life, and frictions there, restlessness is there, and that's the reason you want balance in your life. You are totally fighting against this person, you are totally pushing this person away, and you want balance. And there is some kind of overthinking. You are thinking about a lot of stuff right now. You need to find peace. These are some of your readings. So hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.